That crackling sound in lung, it could mean pulmonary edema, fibrosis, or even TB. Listen carefully, this one saves life. Crackles are not just random noises, they tell you where the disease is and how serious it is. Let me break it down simple and fast. What are crackles? Crackles are non-musical explosive short sound heard during breathing. There are two types of crackles, fine and coarse crackles. Fine crackles are soft, short, and high pitched, and they arise from the alveoli. Coarse crackles are loud, low pitched, and they arise from the bronchi and the bronchioles. Here, the timing matters a lot. Early inspiratory crackles is seen in chronic bronchitis. Mid inspiratory crackles is seen in bronchiectasis. Late inspiratory crackles is seen in pulmonary fibrosis, interstitial lung disease, asbestosis, pneumonitis, pulmonary edema. Expiratory crackles is seen in chronic bronchitis and pulmonary edema. Mechanism. Why do crackles happen? There are two main reasons. Air bubbling through the secretion, and number two is sudden opening of collapsed bronchioles and alveoli causing explosive sound. Here comes the best part, which is the clinical interpretation. Remember, no sputum plus crackles, think interstitial lung disease. Sputum plus crackles, think parenchymal lung disease. Fine localized crackles, think parenchymal infiltration. If it is at lung apices, it may mean early pulmonary TB alert. Find end inspiratory crackle at lung basis means left ventricular failure. Very coarse crackles mean terminal gross pulmonary edema. Save this reel, share it with your study buddy, and follow for more such clinical auscultation made easy.